Good afternoon, guys, and welcome to Gillykube, Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm coming to you with a reworked pour, so meaning that I've done a pour, it's sat for about 20 minutes. I put the video out earlier in the week, or yesterday maybe, I can't remember. So what I'm doing is I'm reworking the pour. For the people that don't like my balloon embellishment, then you don't, it's you can just look at the original, which I'll put a link underneath this video. So this is just what you can do with a pour if you want to take it on to the next level, or you just want to have some fun with it. So the previous video, I swiped this particular one in 3 different swipe colors, which you'll see if you watch the video or if you have already watched it. So what I want to do now is do some work with the balloon, smiley face, and embellish it a bit further with the balloon. So not really rocket science, but I'm just thinking of doing the balloon embellishments as a separate video for the people. Well, it makes the video a lot less longer for people that like short videos and people that just want to get this balloon technique down pat, because I'm getting so many requests like, what do you can you explain your balloon work a little bit better, because I'm not getting it. What I really do find is that with balloon work, if your paint that you're ballooning over isn't the right consistency or isn't kind of dry enough, or it's too wet, then there's all manner of things can happen. So if your paint there's loads of paint on there and you push your balloon in, all the paint will fall back in. It can still create some beautiful looks, but some people are not liking that. So and then what I find best to do is walk away after you've done this stage on your work. Walk away, leave it to dry, or the paint to absorb and self-level in your canvas. And it 20 minutes, even up to an hour, you could leave it if there's a lot of paint on there. But if you come back and you try your balloon and it's sticky, then you've left it too long. So it's not really worth trying to balloon on it. So this has been left about 20 minutes. So we'll see how this one goes. And I've because I've got the dark up here, I want to make this like an ocean. How can I explain it? So I want to do this like ocean waves using my balloon, and then that basically is the night sky. So I will turn it to face me where I'm working, and then we'll turn it round to you guys to kind of see what was in my head. So that's going to be kind of my night sky, and I'm going to do some waves in here with my balloon. Just hoping that this balloon isn't too big. Sometimes you can have blow up balloons and be different sizes, and I've got my little water balloon there, so I will use that as well. So I'm going to remember, I'm trying to create like a wave. Oh wow, that is a definite wave. Oh my goodness, that is a gorgeous one. So it's I'm wiping the balloon off in between my ballooning, so it keeps your balloon nice and clean, not muddy up your. So it's push it in, and basically using your balloon as your what could I say? It's not a pen, but or a drawing, but you're using your balloon to create the illusion of waves. So here we go. So I'll do a smaller, curlier one down there, like that. So I think that it's definitely creating the illusion of waves. I could probably keep it a bit, I could probably leave this even a bit longer to because the paint is falling in, but it doesn't, This is quite okay on this one because it still looks nice. I'll just do a little wave over here. Just a few little ones. Wow. Okay. I like that as it is. It's created the illusion of waves. I'll turn it round as I'm seeing it. So this is just ideas for you to work with or have a go at. I know lots of people saying, oh, ballooning, you love your ballooning. Well, then I do. That's my thing. It's what I do and what I love to do. So if you can see it's sort of created the illusion of waves and the night sky. I know it's an abstract version of it, but I quite like that just as it is. Not sure if I should add anything to it. I think that's quite nice because if you look at the dark part, it looks like an evening sky. Of course, you've got to look at it in an abstract way, but I think that's perfect as it is. So I'm not going to take it any further. I just wanted to show you what I did to finish off this particular piece of art. And if you want to watch the original, I'll put the link. It'll be in the comments just underneath this video. And I'm happy with that, so I don't want to do anything further to it. If you're a beginner, there is beginners videos. If you're looking to varnish or coat your work, I have videos in my playlist for varnishing and coating work. So I've got something for everyone in there. So good luck with your art journey, and let me know if you give this a try to do the balloon wave. And see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me. Wait till the end and I will show you the dried versions and some up-to-date puppy photos of the puppies in their new homes, hopefully. So thank you. Bye for now.